Let's see what's happening. If I can find some stuff. There we go. Oh, we are live. Right, give us a second there, guys, while I set things up here. Do. I think I need to share the stream out. We're going to copy the link there, and we're going to share it out to people. Post it on the thingy. Where am I going? Put that there. Where else are we going? Put that there. Okay, let's get rid of that. Right, let's put this up again. Right, we'll check our audio and video settings first. Audio and video test. Oh, there we go. I have it. Okay. Yeah, we're good to go. Right, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is safe and well. It has been a while since my last stream. I generally only tend to stream when I have something of note to, show off and that type of thing. With the advent of Farming Simulator 25, I do hope and I will try to do more, we'll say, normal, quote unquote, streams. Showing off Farming Simulator 22 and the game and the equipment list and that type of thing. I think I'll probably start off with Hutan Pantai or Huti Panten, whatever the hell they call that map. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, we'll. I personally think I'm most interested in the Asian map because it kind of just appeals to me. Obviously, I'd like to see more of the map before I can kind of get a good feel for it. But just on the general kind of just from the teaser video, I was quite happy with what I saw. Excuse me. Right. So the reason we're streaming today, my friends, is I have a new update to the Valpadana 4655 VRM to show you guys. Some new things added. Some fixes. There wasn't anything dramatically wrong with the first version, but once you kind of you will kind of see things, and you will make adjustments and that type of thing. So we have update version 1.1 here. We're going to be doing a bit of beta testing. Make sure everything is working. It's the mod is a bit more advanced than the previous version because there are new brand options available, and there are more kind of advanced XML scripting and stuff. So that takes time to kind of test and that type of thing. So we have the update log here. We've added some new translations. We've got Russian, Italian, French, German. The interactive control features here. There is translations for Polish and Spanish as well. So we've added those in there as well. So obviously I've made some alterations to the old the text here as well. But so basically, once again, my friends, I always recommend people read the mod description text, and it will kind of inform you, give you a better idea of the mod and kind of what's involved in and stuff like that. So you've got your interactive control section, goes through all the various IC commands that you can actually use on the mod. Got some recommended mods here at the bottom. We've got our credits at the bottom here as well. We have the shop options here. We have the vehicle specifications, and up here then we have the change log for version 1.1. So change log 1.0.0.0, whatever they call it. Adjustments to center of mass and tractor weight to be more usable with pallets and tools. So we noticed that if you were lifting, let's say, in-game pallets or in-game, seeds and that type of thing. The base game pallets and the tractor had an issue lifting kind of base game stuff. And so what we did was we made some adjustments to the center of mass and that type of thing. So it should hopefully work better with more equipment, more pallets, that type of thing, more base game equipment, and just be more usable in general. So we've added new brand options. We have JCB, we have New Holland, and we have John Deere. So now these are unrealistic. They don't exist in the real world, but we've added them just to kind of, added something a little bit new, and show people as well that's, what's possible with the Valpadana in terms of modifying. We built the tractor from scratch to be modular, to be heavily modified, so you can add things, you can take things away, you can edit the decals, you can change the colors, you can swap out parts, you can swap out beacon lights. It's the entire tractor is modular, so you can add and swap things as you may or may not like, if you're into the modding side of things, that is. um, Added more details to engine area and electrical section. Added power cable to beacon light, fixed foliage bending, added various new elements to improve model accuracy, minor changes to dirt and wear on various surfaces, added custom IC icons, correct spelling errors, fixed shadow casting settings in Giant's editor, added new warning sign options and keychains, added new translations, minor text changes, various minor changes to i3D and XML. So that's kind of changelog 1.1 as it stands currently. We are hoping to get this mod out for next week, next Saturday. That's kind of our game plan at the moment, is to get it out for next Saturday. So I have downloaded a new map. We've got Hills of Tuscany because this has grapes. I think this suits the tractor. Very, very nice map. It's got grapevines and that type of thing built into the map, from scratch, as it were. I think the only thing I would like with this particular map is I'd love it to be like 4x size. Maybe in Farming Simulator 25 we will see something like that. So I started the game. Now there's going to be some hitching, stuttering, spluttering, that type of thing, because I haven't loaded in all the textures, basically, right? So there you have to load in all the shader cache and that type of thing. So this map came with a bunch of prerequisites, stuff that you had to download and that type of thing. I sold off all of the base game equipment that comes with it. One of the issues I have with this map is that it comes with way too much equipment in New Farmer. If you have a shit ton of equipment, kind of starting off in New Farmer mode, what is the point of playing the game? What's the incentive for you? If you're given all the the equipment in the world, and then what's the incentive for you to actually play the damn game? So I prefer maps that give you a reasonable start of amount of starting equipment. A tractor, a trailer, a plow. But not too much stuff. You know what I mean? Not giving you bloody 7 tractors and that type of things. So this is Olives here, look. So he's got all this stuff pre-placed. So I'm going to quickly show you this, my friends. This is another mod from my game Steam. This is the Piaggio Ape, the 601. This vehicle here is from 1978. We've added, so this is update version 1.1. So what we did was once I saw the new trailer from the Asian map, I grabbed the My Game Steam Ape here and updated it to version 1.1. So for example, it's got interactive control now. You hop inside. can start the engine. Close the doors. You've got the sun visors, and obviously the other door here as well. So updated interactive control. This is kind of a more polished, I'd say, than the first version. Now, what I want to do here is I want to trigger the damn thing. Where is my thingy here? That was it. What time is it? Oh, so I think it's too early in the morning. Should we move time forward because I want those gates to open? I think it's 9 o'clock, hopefully, that these gates open. There we go, look. So she opened. Okay, that's fine. Put it back to 0 again. Alright, so I want that to trigger there. No, I'll put this here because I want the gates to stop. Look. See what's happened here. God damn it. Is there a collision on this? So this is a very good vehicle for this type of map, in my opinion. It suits the map, you know. And we're gonna get this converted and updated for Farming Simulator 25. It's a nice little vehicle, you know, and as I said, it's going to look very, very nice on the Hutan Pantai map once it actually comes out. So we're going to take a look at the Valpadana here. Right, so I'll quickly show you the new kind of options, right, with the mod. There isn't a huge amount, but there are some new stuff. So so in the warning signs, we have some new options that I've added. So once we get to it, I'll tell you where it's actually new. So this is a new warning sign, this white and red, okay? So we added that one. We've added this new speed 30 sign as well. Okay, that's new. And we've added that one as well. So we have 3 new warning sign options. And you can go to know. Everything else here is pretty much the same as version 1.0. Okay. So the main thing, so the McCormick, the Valpadana, the McCormick, and the Landini are pretty much identical to previous. Okay. Right. So we've added 3 new tractors. You can see it here, right? We have, so this is what we've called this the multi-brand tractor, right? So there's 3 new brands. We have John Deere, JCB, and we have the New Holland, the Blue Power Edition. Okay, so this one by default it's 98 horsepower. So there's no there's no engine configuration options in this one. And we changed the name of it. It's just called the 4665. There's no VRM or anything like that, right? So we have your John Deere colors. You know, you have the main body is John Deere green. You have your wheels in John Deere yellow. You have your John Deere decals on the hood, and the 4665 is in John Deere yellow. At the front we have a John Deere logo. We have the steering decal has the John Deere logo. At the side here, the ignition key is John Deere as well. Right, so this is kind of the one of them. Okay, so we have the kind of the John Deere version, right? So we'll just go through a little bit of the options here. You have the wheel setup. We have Trelleborg tires. We have a wheel setup. We have standard, and then we have wheel weights. Okay, right. Then, if you wanted to, you can go to the Rice tires. So these are based on a actual real world Rice tires. They're Indian. So we just found some pictures online of these Rice tires, and my game Steam created the the Rice tires in Blender and stuff like that. Once again, for Farming Simulator 25. Let's go back to the standard tires here and get the wheel weights. Warning signs, I've showed you them already. So you have that one, that one. Okay, so there's quite a few. All right. So we'll go with made in Italy here. See that one there? That's an Italian one. We have the front configuration. We have the bull bar. Okay. Uh, the rear work light. Okay, so you can put a work light on this. The beacon light, obviously, you can put on this as well. On the top. And we get that one there. Now let's go and get the New Holland version. Okay, so this is your New Holland Blue Power. So you have the 4665 is New Holland white. You have the Blue Power logo as well with that. You have the emblem here, the steering emblem, and basically, you know, it's all like kind of New Holland skin now. I really like this one. I think it looks really, really good. We're going to go up the rice wheel version on this, and we're going to add the beacon light to this as well. Okay, 24,500. Next up, we have the JCB. Okay, so all the emblems on the hood are different. You have, you have your JCB, you have your John Deere, and you have your New Holland. So there are object changes for everything. So here's your JCB version here. So here, my friends, are your 3 tractors, as seen in the thumbnail. Another thing that I've added in this particular version of the mod, we have custom interactive controller IC icons. If we hop in cab here and we enable interactive control, we have a bunch of custom IC icons that are unique to this particular tractor here to kind of differentiate it from others, you know, that type of thing. Start the engine. You have your beeper. So we take a look here. You have your JCB yellow. You have the logo, JCB logo up here. You have the 4665 in black. You have a custom JCB emblem on the hood there. Look at that. My Game Steam made that. Over here, I'll be able to see it there, but the keychain. So there's a keychain there. So the keychain is unique to each version. We've got a JCB keychain, and the actual key is JCB yellow as well. Right. So it's all kind of customized and unique. You can open the hood here. There's a custom icon to open the hood. You might see it here. It's a little picture of the Valpadana. So your hood opens up. You have your engine fan spinning there. You have your dynamo. There's actually a fan spinning inside the dynamo. I don't know if you can see that there. Just about here, there's a little a fan inside the dynamo that also spins. So you have your hood. So if I put the hood down again. Okay. So I can unfold the roll bar here. My Game Steam, I think we're going to change the sounds of the, you know, the animation sound for the roll bar. That sound seems to repeat. We need a longer duration sound, I think. So well, listen to this when I fold it up. It repeats the same sound over and over. Alright. So we're gonna have to get a new sound for that. I don't think it works right. Right, so what happens now is, right, so this hood is down, right? So if I open the hood now, this should go up. So that's one of the features that My Game Steam has built into it. And if you look here now, the icon is invisible. See that? So the roll bar up and down icon is now invisible. So that's kind of a safety feature. So if I put the hood back down again, that icon now is back again. You see that? Right. So we can fold the mirrors. We can take off the fuel cap. We can put in and out the side lights here. We have cruise control down here. Over here we have your lights, so your low beam and high beam light, 2 stages. Up here we have the beacon light. It's a custom icon for that. So the beacon light there. Okay, so it's up here. Look, there are various IC icons on the dashboard. Here's your hazard lights. So your hazard lights will actually turn on here as well. Let's fold those out. What else do we have? We have the turn indicators. Okay, so you can actually put the turn indicators left or right here as well, using the IC animations. So you can turn off, so you have 1, 2, 3. So you have your 2 stages of front, and you have your rear work light as well. Here is your So it says My Game Steam. It says multi-brand 4665. What are we going? How are we going to get them to say John Deere 4665 instead of multi-brand, or New Holland 4665? What is controlling My Game Steam? The name of the multi-brand vehicle. So, you know, I want each individual version to say, you know, New Holland 4665 or JCB 4665. So we're going to have to look at that and see how we can adjust that. So here is your version with the rice tires. Oh, hold on a second. Hold the phone. Yeah, My Game Steam, the front grille here for the New Holland version is not changing color. So this has a unique color. Yeah, that has a unique color. So there's something wrong here. We're going to have to fix that. That's not right. Let's check the log. So I've got the smoke 6 under 6 matte. So that's from the mirrors. So I'm gonna have to we're gonna have to hide the mirror entries, I guess, to make that go away. I think, isn't that what we did before? So I set the priority to 1 on the mirrors. So I'm not quite sure. We may have to actually make that invisible. I'm not sure. I wonder if it's from the Piaggio Ape. Let's see where it loads in. So I'm not quite sure where that is loading in there, but anyways, we'll fix that before the release next Saturday. Well, yeah, it is a beta test stream, you know, but the log itself is actually clean. But yeah, those mirrors are what's causing that error, so we're going to have to fix that. That's just an XML entry. So yeah, we're going to have to fix the hood color here. Okay, that's not right. Fix the mirrors. And we're going to have to fix the naming of the vehicles. Look, they're multi-brand instead of JCB, John Deere or New Holland. So we have our Rice tire version here. Oh, let's test with some let's test with the pallet fork. So one of the adjustments that my games team made as well is to the rear 3-point attacher here at the back. I want to check it and see how it behaves with pallets. So if you don't know, the Winton Machinery Pack is also a mod from My Games Team. That's mods.mygamesteam.com. We pretty much built this little equipment pack here for the Valpadana. So they're kind of perfectly aligned and designed for one another, if that makes sense. So lime is the heaviest. Let's lower this. Now, my bad driving notwithstanding, that's interesting. It kind of raises up, look. My games team, I wonder if the... So it seems to be lowering better, but is it actually raising higher than it was before? That seems a little bit too low to the ground here, my game seems to that. So that might need some slight adjustment. I think it's lowering a little bit too low, if that makes sense. Let's compare it to the Valpadana. So this one does not have those XML adjustments. So let's try it and just see what it looks like with this. So yeah, that raise is much higher. That Poglard, how are you, sir? How are things? Thank you for tuning in, my friend. Appreciate that. Hope you're doing well, sir. I have way too many bloody tractors. Way too many. It's going to be difficult to test with all these tractors. Right, let's just test these two. I'm not doing too bad, no sir. Not doing too bad. Doing a little bit of testing here on the new version 1.1 of the Valpadana here. So let's kind of move these into position and see. Right, so you can see here that so over here is the, let's say, the original XML here, and this is the new modified version. So the 3-point is much higher than on this one, and if I lower, so you can kind of see that this one is, we'll say, too high off the ground, whereas this one is lower. So my games team, we need to find strike a balance between this and this, right? So this is going too low, and that's obviously too high. So we need to strike an XML settings, you know, entries kind of in between the original and the newly created version. And I think that should do it then. So what's been happening here is the pallet forks are too high off the ground when they're lowered. Look. So if I try and get in and so you see that, see it's basically they're too high off the ground. Right. Now let's try it with a with one of these. Where is that? It's over here. Now you see that? Look. See that? Look, the forks are too high, so it won't actually go into the, you know, it won't go into the pallet fork. See that? So the 3-point here is just set too high in the XML. Okay. Now this one will go in, but it's too low. This one now. Because it's actually kind of hitting off the ground. So that one will go in, look. So one of the things that we changed as well is the the center of mass and the you know, the capabilities of the 3-point. So previously, for example, we could not load you know, we couldn't lift any pallets or anything with the rear 3-point. Now obviously we can, so that's good. And the tractor feels very nice. It's not sliding around or anything like that, you know. Okay. So that's good to know. Now let's test some tools here. So we've got a mulcher here. So we're going to try this one. This is 480 kilograms. Go for a little drive maybe. We have a field over here. I think we might be able to do this. So this is field. Let's purchase this field. Where the hell am I on the map? Where's the shop on this map? Where is the shop? I have no idea where the bloody shop is. Where's my vehicle on this map? Oh, here we go, you idiot. It was on the wrong bloody page. Where is my bloody vehicles? Here it is, look. This one here. Okay. Let's put a worker on this. What's going on here? Oh, what's happening here? let's try a different field. See if there's something else here we can actually use this on. Got this field here. What is going on here? Why is that not working? Let's try a different piece of equipment. Let's get the Salic. Let's try this one. That seems to be working. Let's try this one. Let's see what that one looks like. Okay. Let's check that. See the object changes here on the rear 3-point. So that works. Okay. Try this one again. Oh, hold on. This is, I'm an idiot. This is only 48 horsepower. You moron. Hold on a second. What's the... Yeah, this uses 70. No wonder. I'm an absolute muppet. That uses 70 horsepower. Of course it's not going to bloody work. So this is 98 horsepower, this thing. Let's try this one. I was wondering why that tool wasn't working. Didn't have the juice, didn't have the horsepower for it. There we go. That's more like it. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, that's fine. See, can I mulch this field again? Right, it says no field found on this. Okay. Is there anything over here? I don't own that land, do I? No field found again. Okay. So obviously this isn't mulcher, ready for mulchers. Let's try something else. What else do we have? Let's see. So we've got the little plow here. So this is 85 horsepower. This might work. Let's check this. Kind of pushing it on the horsepower range, but it might work. It's a little bit oversized, you know what I mean? It's not realistic. It's way too big for the tractor. But you know, just for the purposes, just to test it. You know, see, can it get up the hill and that type of thing, and you know the speed of it and that type of stuff. So this is supposed to be 7 mph. This is 845 kilograms. You know, it's quite a bit larger than the little Salic. So let's just see, does he have the oomph to get up this hill? Because it's quite steep, as you can see. Look. So once again, the JCB here is 98 horsepower. Let's see, it's got the oomph to get up there. See there on the hood, it's got the JCB logo on it, JCB decals, got the steering emblem, got your connection hoses at the back here, got your JCB keychain, so it's all matchy-matchy. So that did very well. That's not an issue for the tractor here. Can handle that quite well. As I said, it's oversized. You wouldn't realistically use it with you know this type of tractor. You know, obviously you need to use appropriately sized tools and that type of thing with this little Valpadana. I mean, it is absolutely tiny. I'm going to check this trailer here for object changes. This is pin hitch. So you have your electrical connection point and you have your hydraulic hose connection point. Now, the trailer that we recommend would be from the Winton machinery pack, because it's more appropriately sized, which would be this one here. All right, so we have that one there. So this one has a pin hitch and a ball hitch version. Get both. Okay, here's your ball hitch. So the little trailer here, the little Winton trailer, suits the little Valpadana much better. So your ball hitch hooks up. There's an object change as well. That's perfect. Fill it with lime. So the little trailer here holds 3,000 litres. It's 2,000. It's 3,000 liters. I don't know if there's any place to sell lime on the map. Let's just see as a matter of interest. Can you sell lime on this map? Lime production. Oh, oh! Oh crap, Jesus. Holy Toledo. Where's the lime production? Oh, there it is, over there. Okay. Let me just get that there. Oh, oh, crap. I never said it was the best driver in the world. Whatever. There it is. Okay, I know where I'm going. Right, there we go. It's lime production. Bit of stuttering and spluttering because the textures have to load in. So yeah, we can do lime here. That's pretty cool. I like that. Got some animations down in the end there as well. That's pretty nice. So I made 1,240 bucks for that. Let me get another version of the. Let me get another version of this. Let me get the John Deere version. Okay, that's that one there. We'll put the bull bar on this. I'm going to get a different version of this trailer because I want to show you guys something. So one of the things we've added, we have new rear work lights on this mod. Now this is unreleased, right? But I guess eventually it's going to we're going to be updating the little Winton machinery pack, probably with new tools as well, you know. I just kind of want to show you this little trailer here, the new edition. Let me go to nighttime. Show you this. So basically, Winton Machinery, they're a UK company. They have a new trailer out, and these work lights are part of the new trailer design. So My Games Team made these in Blender, and we've added it to the little Winton trailer here. And it's something that so these are they're called daytime running lights, but I guess in this context they're nighttime running lights. So they illuminate, obviously. And you have your beacon lights as well, you know, your left and your right here. So they do actually work and stuff. So that's something that it's kind of a work in progress type thing, this little trailer here. I'm going to have to work on that a little bit more, I think. But we'll do that off screen or off stream another time, perhaps. I'm going back to the daytime again. Turn the lights off here. Right, so this is your John Deere version. What else do we need to test? I'm trying to think now what needs to be tested. Do we have any vineyards or anything that needs to be, you know, chopped or mulched or whatever they call it? Pruned. Do we have anything close to us that can potentially be, you know, just done quickly? Let's see if there are any fields kind of close to me that needs doing. Where are the... Oh, we have triticale in this thing. Ooh. Oh, we have alfalfa as well. Holy shit. Alfalfa, triticale, and white grapes. Oh, there's the there's some grapes up here, look. Let's go find those. Where are those bloody fields? Where's the fields I just bought? Okay, I think I'm going to try and find another vineyard or something close to me. So it's a very, very nice looking map though, I have to admit. The guy did a very good job on it. As I said, my only kind of thing that I'd like for this maybe to be like a 4X map. But it's a beautiful looking map. Here we go. Now I'm just wondering, do these need to be pruned? That's my only thing. I don't know what the situation here is with these things. Where am I on the bloody map? Oh, I own them. Okay, so I'm in the right spot. Okay, right. So interactive control. Did I touch the thingy? Right. What happened to my icon here? So that needs to... Oh, you idiot, Richard. I'm going to have to change that icon. I changed the align to camera in my game, Steam, from false, from true to false. And look what's happened, look. I can't see the bloody icon anymore, you idiot. I can't see this one either. So this one folds and unfolds. Oh, you muppet, I'm after screwing up the icons here, look. We need to lower. Is that right? We need to lower it? Yeah, lower it. And then this one needs to turn it on. Why isn't that turning on? Why isn't that turning on? Can I prune these, I wonder? Or does it not need to be done? I don't know. I have no idea. Mario Gino, how are you, sir? Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate that. Hope you're doing well. So this map is Hills of Tuscany. It is a mod hub map. I'm just testing out this tractor here. Various pieces of equipment. So these grapes do not need to be actually done. So they don't actually need to be pruned, but you kind of get the idea there of, you know, this is essentially, the 4655 is a vineyard tractor from Italy, made by Argo Tractors. So it is kind of designed for this type of work. It's small enough to get in between the narrow rows here. But obviously, as you can see, these don't need to be pruned at the moment. So that's why there's no animation or anything going on. But I just wanted to try it out and test it. So it does actually work. So I've screwed up the icons here in my game Steam. So I'm gonna have to fix that in the XML. So you'll raise it. Look at the icon, my games. Look. Completely broken the bloody thing. You idiot. I'm gonna have to fix those. And then you have to fold it, right? There we go. Right, so that's that. Okay, that's fine. Right, so let me see. So I need to fix the IC icons for the levers because I have broken the bloody things. What else do we need to do? We need to... So the 3-point here at the back lowers is too low, right? So the XML settings that you sent me, we need to strike a balance between, you know, the original entry and the new entry. So somewhere in the middle, because it's just going too low at the moment. What else is there? What else needs to be done? Yeah, the hood. So the color of the hood on the New Holland is not the right color, right? So the New Holland has its own unique color setting. So we need to change that, right? What else is there? So this is called multi-brand 4655. It needs to be called JCB. Right, so see that multi-brand. So that needs to be fixed as well. We need to fix the mirrors in the XML as well. So I have to change that up as well. Look, so the smoke underscore matte error is back. So we're going to have to fix the mirrors there. Okay. But overall, I think it's looking quite nice. It's coming along. Everything that I've noted here is very, very minor. They're just XML changes that need to be made. There's nothing, you know, nothing game breaking or substantial and that type of thing, you know. But that is why, as I said, that's why we beat test to find all these little issues before you make the mod public, you know. So yeah, this is version 1.1 of the My Game Steam mod. It's the Valpadana 4655 VRM. The original mod came with the Valpadana here, and you had the McCormick version. These are based on the real world, obviously. And then you had the Landini, right? So we've added 3 unrealistic versions. We've added a John Deere version, we've added a New Holland version, and a JCB version, right? So these are new, okay, for people, you know, who might want different brands and that type of thing, you know. So hopefully this mod should be ready for next Saturday. mods.mygamesteam.com, and you will be able to download the mod. The winter machinery pack is already on the website, and these pieces of tools are kind of designed specifically for the little Valpadana. We have other mods that are work in progress, so we're working on this, the 1965 LP608. This is a work in progress. We're working on this beast. This is the where's this from? 2004. Working on the Volvo BM. This is a very old slurry spreader. Working on that. Working on the tree call, which is a kind of a six-wheeler. So we have a number of mods that are being work in progress. This is out at the moment. This is the Piaggio Ape. You can download this from My Game Steam as well. Little three-wheeler vehicle. I think it's going to be very, very nice on the Farming Simulator 25, you know. Giants had their lizard three-wheeler, the little tuk-tuk, you know, so we thought we'd update the little Piaggio Ape here. And that's available for people right now. So yeah, so that's kind of a you know, we're testing the new update to the Valpadana here. A few little things that I've spotted. I'll probably do some more testing offline, and you know, you're always going to notice and miss things, but that's what beta testing is for. To fix all the stuff before you actually release the mod in the wild or make it public and stuff. So, my friends, yeah, I think that's kind of where we're going to call it. A bit of a short one for me, you know. I just needed to go over a few little things with the mod and stuff like that so I can actually see it, you know. So I think we may just call it there. And I will actually get to work on fixing the things that need to be fixed. Oh, we've been streaming for an hour. Holy crap. Yeah, hour and 2 minutes. So, my friends, listen, I'm going to say thank you all very much for tuning in. I appreciate it. And God willing, we shall see you again in the next one. As I said, I don't stream very often anymore unless I have something, you know, to show that, you know. But hopefully with Farming Simulator 25, with the new game launch, you know, I will be doing, you know, first look streams, you know, looking at the new maps, looking at the equipment, looking at all the various, you know, new features and functions and that type of thing. And hopefully my laptop here will actually hold up and be able to run the bloody game, but we'll see about that, I guess. Right, my friends, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to thank you all very much for tuning in. Appreciate it. And God willing, we shall see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.